Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
Hello, my people, the Glamorous fans. Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenue encore dans channel. Today, I am going to clean my kitchen. Just a little something. Not too, not a deep clean, but I'll show you what I use to clean my stove and how I clean my stove. And also, I use the same technique for my pots and pans. If you are interested, please keep watching. Okay guys, jodi je pral montrer nou comment moi ken bere chaud moi clairer comment moi nettoyer moi gen chaud ça pour 6 ans. Li semblon bagay qui fait acheter. Si vous intéressé pour qui ça m'a utilisé, continuez à regarder.
If I let figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I could never get enough of this old piano. All the crashing sound of the breaking waves down here. Now I've been sitting here most of the day. Don't know why it's so hard to tear myself away. I can almost hear the ocean talking to me, saying, what are you waiting for? When life is an open door, it will never get easier than this. It will never be more difficult to miss. So what are you waiting for? If life is an open door, no one in this world knows where I am. So I think I'll stay for as long as I can.
Okay guys, back to the pots and pans. Those are the things I use to clean my stove and my pots and pans. Barkeeper's Friend, an all-purpose sponge. You spray it on your stove or on your pots and pans. You let it sit for a few minutes. Then use the sponge, rinse it off, and wash it with soapy water. Okay? That things work like magic. Try it and come back and let me know. Fanatique moi yo, des bagages moi souhaite montrer nous c'est avec lui moi servi avec non réchaud moi non chaudière moi pour me faire éclairer j'en ouais éclairer OK à l'acheter Lowe's Home Depot Walmart yo gagne à l'acheter essayer le faire me connaître pas oublier abonner partager vidéo ça
'Cause it would never get easier than this. It would never be more difficult to miss. So what are you waiting for? Oh, it would never be easier than this. Never be more difficult to miss. So what are you waiting for? Life's an open door.
I remember those days we were young and had nothing to do. I used to pick you up and drive to a place we could talk for hours. Sometimes we'd run out of words to say, but we didn't mind. 'Cause we could lay on the ground and just stare into each other's eyes. And I remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. Never trip and fall, trip and fall. Lying to our parents of our whereabouts and what we did, and drinking liquor out the bottle at a party we knew no one there. And we didn't even care if we stayed out all night, 'cause we always had each other, always had each other, always had each other. We always had each other. Remember when you kissed me, I felt the taste of your lipstick, even the brand of your ripped jeans. I can still see it all. We ran on top of buildings, just like a scene from a movie, living our life on the edge, and we'd never trip and fall, never trip and fall. Living on the edge, we were living on the edge. We didn't care about the rest, care about the rest. I thought that it would last forever.
I don't want to make that big mistake by leaving without thanking you guys, without saying thank you for all the love and support. I truly appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.
Still see it all.